If you've lost access to your Whatfix account and cannot use your email for recovery, follow these steps to regain access quickly. Step 1. Visit the Whatfix login page. Go to the official Whatfix login page using your web browser. This is where you will start the account recovery process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link and click on it. This will direct you to the password recovery options. Step 3. Select alternative recovery options. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Verify your identity. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. If you choose phone recovery, you will receive a verification code via SMS. Enter this code to proceed. Step 5. Reset your password. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password and confirm it to complete the recovery process. After completing these steps, you should be able to access your Whatfix account again. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Whatfix support for further assistance.